When you start internal work that requires or involves traveling, leaving your body, dream walking, meditation, visualization work, a question comes up often with that. And I've heard this many times in groups, and I've had the same question myself. When you start doing work where you close your eyes and allow yourself to see, it can feel a lot like you're imagining. And the question that comes up is, how do I know this is real or just my imagination? For me, the first time I asked that question, I already knew what was real and what was imagination. But I asked the question because I wanted external validation. There wasn't much in my life that pointed me towards believing what I saw in my internal vision as being truth. Now I've learned that our ability to dream as humans is an innate gift. We think that we dream at night, but we actually dream all the time. And we think that we imagine the future, but we're actually seeing the future. And we think that we are imagining, but it's actually vision. And one thing that I've learned from this work is that we can use our unique ability as humans to dream, to imagine, as an entrance to seeing. Fostering our ability to have vision is actually what allows us to enter into seeing what's already there. We hide behind our dreams a lot. We like to pretend that they are just our imagination. But it's actually our future calling us.